Katrina at Halloween Life. Today I am doing an unboxing of my pumpkin purse from Love Paint and Stitches. For anyone who does not know what Love Paint and Stitches is, it is a company that was started on Etsy by a guy named Kenny Avila, I believe is how you say his last name. He got so big that he actually started his own website to sell the products. I did look on Etsy and I couldn't find anything on there. I did find some that were similar, but I didn't find anything from Love Paint and Stitches. I do know there is a Facebook site, and that is actually where I ordered mine. And then I found the actual site through Instagram. I started following him on the Halloween Life Instagram. I learned the hard way that his products sell out in minutes. I put something in my cart, decided I was going to think over if I wanted to actually buy it. When I went back, which was like on my way to work, 25 minutes later, they were sold out. So if you see it and you want it, get it. So it did arrive, and I did scratch out my address and everything. Has a nice little "I'm here" sticker with the Love Paint and Stitches, if you can see that. And let's see what we've got. Let me move the camera down. Of course. And it feels good. It's good quality. It's thick. The inside, I love that design. It has bats, a fingernail, spiders, flies, vampire teeth, skeletons, a strap, and the strap to this one is detachable. I have seen some that come without a detachable strap. Either way, it was fine because I'll be using it as a shoulder bag regardless. The strap is nice and thick, and it has the green stitching to match the purse. And I actually met a lady in Halloween Express. If you've seen the Halloween Express video, I met her the day after Halloween shopping, and she had one of these, and it was like I just had to have one. So she told me where to actually find it. And I don't know if you can see in there the Love Paint and Stitches logo. So yeah. So it actually, yeah. I actually love it. It is really high quality. It's a really nice purse, but this I like. And mine is called, let me look at my invoice so I can tell you exactly what it's called. It is the Monster Posse Love Paint and Stitches, and it's Trick or Trash Green.